Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So this is the last video of my summer tip series and I hope you guys are prepared for the summer. And this one is a summer beauty tips video. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first tip, I know this should be in health, but I feel like it's more important in beauty. The first tip is stating the obvious and having a lot of water. And keeping yourself hydrated is really important during the summer, because the more you take care of your body, the more it reflects on your skin. So although it should be a part of health, I feel like what you have will reflect on your skin, and that comes in beauty. Keeping yourself hydrated and avoiding junk food and food that heats up your body, that should be tip number 1. Tip number 2 is mixing your sunblock with your foundation. So whenever I put sunblock like on my hands and my legs, it sort of becomes a little white when I perspire, and I really hate that effect. So just to avoid that, take a little bit of your sunscreen and mix it with your foundation, and then you can apply it on your hands and legs. At the same time, you can apply it on your face and you have the added protection of a sunblock. The third tip is to use a face mist. Now face mist or setting spray or just a toner that sets your makeup is really important. Every 2 to 3 hours you can keep spraying it. I have this one by Matra, and it is a revitalizing toner and freshener which I use as a setting spray as well, which is really cool. So every 2 to 3 hours, if you're sweating, just to keep your makeup intact, you can use this. Tip number 4 is to switch to powder products. Now during the summers you're going to sweat a lot, and if you use creamy products, it's just going to become really cakey. So use powder products and then you can lock them in really easily. And if you're using a cream contour, you might want to switch it up and use a powder contour instead. Tip number 5 is to use lip balms. Now I can't emphasize on how much you need to use lip balms, because your lips are going to get really chapped, and even though our skin gets dry, our lips do get dry as well. So you need to take care of your lips and use a really moisturizing lip balm. You might want to go for one that is not tinted. Tip number 6 is to avoid extra matte lipsticks. Now I know we love our matte lipsticks, but during the summers your lips are going to get so dry, and if you wear matte lipsticks, it's going to really have a horrible effect. So try using creamy lipsticks or just creamy to matte lipsticks, just something that will not dry your lips horribly. Yeah, these were my summer beauty tips and I hope you guys like it. This is the end of the video, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what you think, and if you guys have any summer beauty tips for me, let me know in the comments as well. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time.